Looking for a fast, reliable way to convert your vehicle's radio from DIN to 2-shaft? The Professional Installer Series Turbo Kit is designed exactly for that. It fits perfectly into your OEM radio mounting spot, ensuring a clean, factory-like installation without any guesswork. What sets this kit apart is its patented sidearm support system, which keeps your radio firmly in place. No more worrying about loose or rattling components. The high-grade ABS plastic construction also guarantees durability, so your setup will stay solid for the long haul. I've seen plenty of kits that promise easy installation but fall short. This one truly delivers. Customers across the United States have praised its fit and finish. One user mentioned it worked perfectly for their truck and even came with extra parts, showing it's built to cover more than just the basics. Another happy buyer shared that the kit arrived on time, was priced fairly, and functioned exactly as expected. That kind of reliability makes a difference when you're upgrading your vehicle's audio system and want to avoid headaches or delays. If you're someone who values a hassle-free upgrade with professional-grade results, this turbo kit is worth a look. It's tailored to fit precisely, support your radio securely, and withstand everyday use without compromise. Ready to give your vehicle a smooth radio conversion? This kit offers what you need for a clean, dependable install. Plus, with positive feedback confirming its quality and ease of use, you can feel confident in your choice. Try the Professional Installer Series Turbo Kit when you're ready to upgrade. It's designed to make your installation straightforward and your radio setup rock solid. No surprises, just solid performance that fits like it should.